best trading advice I can give you, less is more. If you have a look at your trading and you look back over the months or year, then you will probably see that whatever the frequency of trading is, that you're probably better served if you traded slightly less. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're a day trader and you're taking X amount of trades per day, or you're a swing trader and you're taking X amount of trades per month. In the main, my general advice, and this comes from years worth of experience dealing with traders, dealing with brokers, dealing with asset managers, that the better performers tend to trade less. Now, I'm not saying that everyone should go out and only trade once a year. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying look at how you trade and see if there is a way that you can trade slightly less, because otherwise all you're doing is you're feeding your broker commissions, and your broker will be happy because if the more trades you do, the more commissions you generate for them. But in the main, when you're looking at your overall trading style, whatever that is, if you're currently doing 20 trades per day, for example, could you cut it down and trim it down to 15? If you're doing, I don't know, 20 trades per month, could you cut it down to 15? So have a look, because what you might well find is that you are trading more than is necessary. And that tends to be something that goes on. Why? Because most traders want action. And when the markets get boring, they're then starting to look around for action still. Whereas sometimes there's nothing wrong if a market gets a bit boring, or markets get boring for periods. There's nothing wrong with just not doing too much. I've just taken my first trade in the last 3 weeks. So it's been 3 weeks in between trades. And there'll be periods when, of course, I'm much more active and I'm doing many more trades. But there are times when you sit back and say, there's no particular need. I just need to manage the existing trades that I'm in. So do have a look at your trading frequency and see if you are feeding the beast. Are you trading more than you really need to? Because most people, from my conversations with brokers, trade far more than they really need to. And if you are one of those people who are actually look at it and you say, no, Charlie, I don't overtrade at all. If anything, maybe I should trade a little bit more. Well, congratulations, because if you're the other opposite side, then at least you're on the right side of things. So because most traders are looking for action, and they think that trading more equals more profits and more gains, and that's not the truth. Less is more in trading. Take care for now. I shall see you on Saturday.